Hey guys, today we're going to give you a look inside electric kicks on one of the busiest days of the year, Black Friday.
Black Friday is here at Electric Kicks and it is the most incredible vibe here. We've got retail coming in, we've got online sales pumping, the team are on the phones. I just love nothing more than being a part of this company, especially on weeks like this.
Just here with Luke at the moment, we've had to go pick up some new stock. Obviously Black Friday, everything's been selling out, Christmas coming up, so this isn't going to stick around long either. If you have been thinking about getting a scooter or a bike, jump online and get one soon because everything's selling.
What we love about Black Friday at the moment is that we've got the Ghost on sale, which in my opinion is Apollo's hottest scooter. Hey, how cool is this, right? So last night, they posted the Ghost on social media at 6 o'clock. This morning, customer comes in, sees the post, buys it at 9, and then these guys say, we can have it to you by 2 p.m. And here it is, ready for same-day dispatch.
Scooter labeled, ready to go. We slide it over here. Obviously the orders are picked and packed and laid out in order as given, picked up very shortly, and ready to go.
Hey Ryan,
Yes.
that Ghost, is it ready to go out?
Yeah.
Picked, packed, awesome.
Picked, packed, ready
cool.
to go.
At his door by 2? Love it. How good's that?
We sold the Inokim Light, the last one that we have in stock, so all out.
And I want to take this opportunity to say a massive thank you to every single customer that has purchased from us. You have helped make us the biggest and highest rated electric scooter and ride company in the entire country. So thank you and enjoy your ride from Electric Kicks.